Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, back to Grind to Growth with yours truly, Mr. Mike. And here I am with some tips for you in this short video that help you get you on your way to growing and grinding your X account. On X, there's this following ratio rule that's unwritten that nobody really knows about, but we know about it. We're going to tell you about it. It's the 60-40 rule. What does that mean? You should have 60% followers to your following ratio. Let's say, for example, you have 100 people that you're following and you're following 40 people. That's the way you do it. Now, on my main account, I have 45,200 plus whatever people are following me, and I'm following probably around 43,000. And every so often I go on a purge. I go on a weekly purge. I purge bots, scams, porn accounts, anything that I seem like it's not a real account or a real person, or it's not adding any value, or anything that I find is hateful or disgusting, that's really inappropriate, not out of my comfort zone. I get rid of it. I do it manually, but I do it every week. It's just it's like cleaning your house. You got to go about doing your business. Make sure when you follow people, don't go follow 100 people in a row in an hour. You're going to get blocked. You can follow between 10 and 25 people an hour. If you go on somebody's profile or post and you go follow, you're going to immediately get blocked. You're not going to be able to follow people. You're going to have to wait a certain amount of time, a couple hours, before you can follow back people. And if you keep repeating that, you're going to get sent to Twitter jail. You don't want to go to Twitter jail. And then if you constantly break the rules, your account may be suspended for 3 days where you can't like or follow people. Don't do it. Only follow people that you like to engage with, that are in your niche, in your roundhouse, because otherwise you're going to be following a bunch of random people who are never going to engage with you. Also, one of the most important cornerstones of X is conversations and dialogues. Growing authentic relationships with your followers is the only way to grow. And they'll know it. So do this. Have conversations and engage in dialogue. Mr. Mike, do big accounts follow, or they just pretend to follow? Well, I'm glad you asked that. If you look right here, you're going to see that I have the image of John Cena's X account, who follows me on Twitter and follows him a number of people. But John Cena, who is now 14.4 million followers, used to follow millions of people, is down to 866,000 people that he's following, or accounts. What happened? Well, sometimes they play this system, they get up there, and at a certain point, they start cutting the extra meat off. Right, that doesn't benefit their channel or doesn't benefit their account. X.com just reached a huge milestone. The numbers are in. 907 million unique visits. X is breaking all-time user records, all-time engagement records, view records. And what does that mean for you? That means there's a need for more content creators. Somebody wants to follow you, and somebody wants to follow your content. No more fake celebrities. No more Hollywood celebrities. You don't need to follow them anymore. Follow each other. They want to follow you. Just remember, you could be demonetized on X for stealing content. Really, you can. And it's happened to some people. Don't copy and paste people's tweets. I know that people share a lot of the same questions. A lot of people copy what I do. You know, for a while it was wrong answers only. Now they're starting to take my super serious questions. But don't take someone's picture and their content and threads and copy word for word. Don't do that. What's my advice? Be original. Be you. There you have it, folks. That's a short episode for me. I hope you enjoy. Please leave your comments below and let me know what you think of the video. Also, subscribe. It's free. And if you want to follow me on X, Mr. Mike MTL, that's where I am. That's where I am everywhere. See you